students, I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is highest mountains of the world. तो पूरे world में there are multiple mountain peaks, but some of them are really tall, बहुत ज़्यादा high हैं, and इन्हीं में से कुछ highest mountains के बारे में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं, which are all around the globe. So read about some of the highest mountains of the world, beginning with Mount Kosciuszko is the highest mountain in Australia with a height of around 228 meters. It was named by the Polish explorer Count Paul Edmund Strzelecki in 1840. The name of the mountain was previously spelled Mount Kosciuszko. Its present name was officially adopted in 1997 by the Geographical Names Board of New South Wales. तो पहला है Mount कॉस्क्यूस्को जो कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया में है एंड प्रीवियसली इसका नाम जो था, इसका जो नाम है ऑफिशियली इट वाज अडॉप्टेड इन 1997 बाय द ज्योग्राफिकल नेम्स बोर्ड्स ऑफ न्यू साउथ वेल्स. Second is Mount Blanc, is also known as the White Mountain. It is the highest mountain in the Alps with a height of around 4810 meters. It lies between the regions of Aosta Valley of Italy and Haute-Savoie of France. The first recorded ascent of this mountain was on 8th August 1786 by Jacques Balmat and Michael Gabriel Packard. The first woman to reach the summit was Mary Paradis. She reached there in 1808. Second है आपका Mount Blanc. इसको White Mountain भी बोला जाता है because of the snow on this mountain. It looks really beautiful. ये आपका Aosta Valley of Italy और फ्रांस के बीच में lie करता है and the first woman to reach this summit was Mary Paradis in the year 1808. Third is Kilimanjaro, is a volcanic mountain of Tanzania. It is also known as Kibo. It is the highest mountain of whole African continent. It is also the highest freestanding mountain in the world at 5895 meters above the sea level. अब आता है आपका Kilimanjaro. ये आपका volcanic mountain है. It is located in Tanzania and it is the highest freestanding mountain in the world. Around इसकी 5895 meters height है above the sea level. Fourth is Mount McKinley, is the highest mountain peak in the United States and in North America with a summit elevation at 6168 meters above the sea level. Its base to peak rise is considered the largest of any mountain situated entirely above the sea level. अब आता है आपका Mount McKinley. It is the highest mountain peak in the United States and the North of America and इसका base to peak rise जो है इसको बोला जाता है largest of any mountain जो कि above sea level पे located है. Then you have number 5, Aconcagua is the highest mountain in the South America. It is located in Argentina. Its total height is 6960 meters above the sea level. It is the highest peak in both the western and southern hemisphere. In mountaineering terms, it is an easy mountain if approached from the north. अब आपका आता है Aconcagua. ये साउथ अमेरिका में हाईएस्ट माउंटेन पीक है. इट इज बिलीव्ड कि अगर नॉर्दर्न साइड से इसको अप्रोच किया जाए तो इट इज वन ऑफ द इजीएस्ट माउंटेन्स टू क्लाइंब. Number 6 is Kanchenjunga. It is the third highest mountain in the world. Its total height is 8586 meters. It is located in the eastern Nepal and Sikkim. It is the highest mountain of India. अब आता है Kanchenjunga located in Nepal. ये जो है हाईएस्ट माउंटेन है पूरे वर्ल्ड का विद टोटल हाइट ऑफ अराउंड 8586 मीटर्स एंड ये ईस्टर्न नेपाल और सिक्किम में लाई करता है. Now let's move ahead with some kinds of question in tickling time. To which among the following mountain ranges does the Mount Everest belongs? Mount Everest belong to the Himalayas ranges. In which country is the Mount Everest located? It is located in Nepal. What do Nepalis all call the Mount Everest in their regional language? They call it Sagarmatha. Number 4, what is the total height of the Mount Everest? And the answer is 8850 meters. And what is the Earth's highest mountain? It is the Mount Everest itself. So these were some questions from the above text in the chapter. And in this chapter, we read about highest mountain peaks all around the globe. उनकी heights किस चीज़ के लिए फेमस है एंड व्हाई एंड वेयर आर दे लोकेटेड, ऑल दीज थिंग्स वी रेड. ये चैप्टर भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपको इन सारे हाईएस्ट पीक्स के नाम भी याद होने चाहिए अलॉन्ग विद देयर हाइट्स एंड द प्लेसेस दे आर located in. So go through this chapter thoroughly and do practice it.